Marion. How are you? Hi.
Ew.
Hi, Steve.
How'd you guys get in? Oh, there's somebody coming out.
A little girl.
Yeah. She's not a little girl. She was short.
Yeah, and she was going upstairs. And she says, oh, I'm sure we pay for you.
Hello, it's me. Hello.
No, I don't like that.
So I have my makeup done. It looks like someone from Euphoria. You know?
I don't know anything
You know
about
what?
Euphoria.
Oh, it's with Zendaya. I don't know. I've never seen it. I heard it's good though. It won awards.
Oh, the movie?
No, it's a TV show. I'm not even recording.
So rude.
You can relate. So I'm wearing a sweater vest and like thigh high boots. I don't know if you can see. Anyway, but we are officially here. Here's Jordan. Isn't she beautiful?
Wow.
My cousin and everything. She has her own channel, Jordan Nicole. I'll have it linked in the description down below because she is adorable. I love her.
Thank you.
But yeah, we are gonna be going into the baby shower right now. I'll see you later. I'm serious. I know. People are gonna think I'm insane. Really insane.
She didn't give me no cookies.
Hey, Mom.
Elizabeth, Auntie Irene didn't give me cookies.
She gave me cookies.
She barely talked to me. She gave me cookies too.
Okay. So they're right here. They're right.
Yeah, you should make a basket for your mom.
I'm showing everybody
All
there.
those- all those-
We like scored. We were so lucky and everything. She and I like won soap and candles, and you can hardly see it, but there's like cookies and pretzels.
Yeah, nobody could say we weren't here, huh?
And we were super lucky. Like wow, there they are.
Yes, we were very lucky.
But yeah, the shower is over and everything. It was really nice. I had a good time.
Me too. They
I haven't been to a shower in a while. Why?
There was only a couple that came here. The end.
The tea is exceptionally good today.
Why is Castle Rock having fireworks?
I'm glad you weren't with us, Elizabeth, when we saw the double rainbow. Look how pretty.
These people are stopping and watching.
Right.
What?
Look at
Can't we?
No, we can't stop on the road to watch the fireworks.
Why they're having them?
Hi guys, so we are obviously back home. We stopped at Chili's to get something to eat. I did not vlog there just simply because I was just really tired. I obviously took a shower. I am very excited to be just starting to vlog again. I want to get back into the rhythm of things, especially for Vlogmas. It's coming up like really fast. I want to say in about a week and a half, 2 weeks. It's currently, I want to say the 23rd. So let me see, double check and see. Yeah, it's currently the 23rd. So it's the 23rd and I'm really excited for Vlogmas. I really need to get back into vlogging, but I just wanted to show you my eyelids got stained. My eyelids got stained from the Mini Jawbreaker palette by Jeffree Star. It is a lip, not a lip. It wasn't an eyeshadow. I want to say it was a pressed pigment, and those actually stain your eyes. So I'm surprised it wasn't even harsher than it is. So my eyes are just a little bit stained, but it should be fine by the morning, I hope. So I will keep you updated with that. And I really need to clean my room. I mean, it just looks terrible. It looks absolutely not in focus. But yeah, I came back, I took a shower. I need to clean my room. It looks absolutely atrocious. Like I still have a bunch of, I have my ring lights up still. I have a tripod out still. I have a lot of things. I need to save a lot of clothes. Let me just tell you that. I need to save a lot of clothes, and yeah, just throwing away a lot of stuff. Let me just give you a tiny overview. I'm just gonna give you a tiny overview. Here's just the things on my bed that I need to just put it away. So here is the purse that I used today. It's super cute. I used it for the very first time today. I really like it. Here's my black purse that I use normally. My laptop. I need to save all of the, I need to save all of this. I think it's so ridiculous. And then over here is my ring light, and I need to save that. I need to save that tripod right there. It's crazy. I need to do my laundry tomorrow. I need to save that camera. I need to save those clothes because they're clean, but I'm way too lazy to clean. I mean, they're clean, I'm just way too lazy to save them immediately, which I need to break out of. And I need to clean my floor and over here and right here. It's not that great, honestly. I feel like I should make a full-on video just cleaning my whole room, but I doubt that would be interesting at all. So I'm just gonna include it in this video. I'm probably gonna do a time lapse of everything, and I'm not gonna get to everything today because I just don't feel like it. I'm really tired. But I want to show you guys my bag that I finished. It was Lock, Shock, and Barrel from The Nightmare Before Christmas, and I did that for a bag decorating competition at work. I thought it came out really cute. But yeah, as you saw a little bit earlier, Xavier is officially home. If you are new to the channel, Xavier is my brother. He doesn't go to school where we live and everything. We actually went and got him today from Fort Collins, and yeah, he's home for an entire week for Thanksgiving. We're going to be going Black Friday shopping with our cousin Ricardo, just like last year, so stay tuned for a whole video of that. And yeah, let's just do the time lapse. Okay, you guys, so you have actually seen a time lapse just now of me cleaning a tiny section of my room, which is kind of sad. Here it is right here. Looks super cute. I had like a bunch of clean clothes just piled up on this chair. It kind of looks pink in the camera, but it's actually purple. And I love this pillow. So cute. And I have a little Harry Potter pillow too. I actually got the pillow cover, I want to say on Wish. So yeah, I got that on Wish. I have the whole surrounding area still really messy. There's like the surrounding area. I still need to clean all this. I need to go through all of my books. As you can see, I actually bought some more. A lot of the times I go to the Goodwill for my books because books are so expensive, and I'm one of those people who likes to have the physical book. I'm not a huge fan of, you know, like ebooks or anything, but I am a fan of Audible and everything. So that's actually what's helped me read it. I'm about halfway done, and it's 1,000+ pages. So I recently got Scary Stories Treasury, so it has all 3 of the scary stories, and I actually grew up reading these, and it was really exciting for me to go and see the movie, so it was just really cool. And I've been meaning to read this. It's Turtles All the Way Down. It's by John Green, the same guy who wrote The Fault in Our Stars, so I'm really excited to read this. And then lastly, here, let me just get it out of the bag. Lastly, I got Brissinger, and it is the 3rd book in the Aragon trilogy. And I've been looking for this for a while. So yeah, I got these 3 books recently from the Goodwill, and I really am happy. I'm really excited to read those. But as you can see, I have like no room. So I need to go through my books, and this is just one bookshelf. I have this bookshelf as well, and I have all of the Chronicles of Narnia. I have really cute really cute novels. And then I have a few Stephen King and Misery. I have the Night Film. And there's just stuff down there. But yeah, I really need to go through all of my books, so I don't think that would be interesting for me to make a whole video just about me like going through my books and rearranging them and everything, but I will have probably before and afters of what it looks like. But I am planning on filming a video doing like a full-on like purge of my closet because I have a lot of clothes. And I fold them like Marie Kondo, but I need to do like the full-on, you know, Marie Kondo, going through your things, putting them on your bed, just going through everything kind of Marie Kondo method. So I'm really excited and eager to start doing that, and I am going to be doing a full video doing that. I've decided officially. But I do need to go through all of my beauty products. Like, oh my gosh. That's really embarrassing. But yeah, I got this tiny little corner of my room done, and that's all I'm going to do for this video. I am going to be probably doing a full-on cleaning of my room, and of course the Marie Kondo like method of cleaning, going through the clothes and everything. Probably going to be doing that for one of my days of Vlogmas. Yes, I am doing Vlogmas this year again. This will be my second year doing Vlogmas. I actually got a Vlogmas, I don't think it's clean, but I actually got a Vlogmas sweatshirt from Alicia Marie. She is like the queen of Vlogmas. I don't expect anything less from her this year, or any year, honestly. But yeah, she is like Vlogmas goals. She vlogs every single year. It is really hard vlogging every single day, but yeah, I'm really excited, and I'm just gonna wrap up the video here. I have to get ready for work. Remember, you're all strong, articulate, independent individuals, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!